Do you know that there was a force acting upon that situation? Let us explain it to you.
In physics and other sciences, a force is a push or pull on a mass that can change the object's motion.
The formula for force is F equals m times A. This is the basic equation of force, which states that the net force acting on an object is equals to the product of mass and acceleration. In short, it is force equals mass times acceleration. The letter F represents force. M is mass and A is acceleration. This law states that a net force is equals to the rate of the change of its momentum with time.
The standard international unit of force is Newton, which is N, which is kilogram meter per second squared.
We can now solve for the force applied in this situation. In this condition, the girl was walking at a constant speed when the sudden collision happened, which represents an unbalanced force, and the things that fell from the girl, which has a mass of 0.5 kilogram, are acted upon by this gravitational force, which has an acceleration of 9.8 meter per second squared due to gravity. Given, mass is equals to 0.5 kilogram. Acceleration is equals to 9.8 meter per second squared, and we are finding the force applied. Formula: force is equals to mass times the acceleration. Solution: force is equals to 0.5 kilogram mass multiplied by 9.8 meter per second squared acceleration. 0.5 times 9.8 is equivalent to 4.9 newtons. Basically, we have the answer 4.9 newton as the force. Forces exist all around us in the everyday world. Here are some common examples. Friction is a force that opposes motion. Applied force is the force applied to an object by a person or other object. Centripetal force is a force on a body moving in a circular path that is directed toward the center of the circle. An example of this is the merry-go-round. The normal force is the force exerted upon an object that is in contact with the surface. For example, the objects above the table or even a person sitting on a chair.
The tension force is the force that pulls equally on two objects connected by a string, wire, or rope. The force of gravity is the attractive force between two masses. Weight is the acceleration due to gravity multiplied by an object's mass. Although gravity acts at an infinite distance, it is also considered as the weakest force. Spring force is the force exerted by a strength or compressed spring. The electromagnetic force is the attraction between opposite electrical charge or magnetic poles, or the repulsion of like charge or magnetic poles. Like gravity, it is effective over an infinite distance.
The four fundamental forces of nature are gravity, electromagnetism, strong interaction, and weak interaction. Gravity and electromagnetic force are already explained, so let's introduce the other two.
Weak interactions affect some nuclear phenomena like beta decay. Its effective range is about 10 to 18 meters, so it acts on the atomic scale. The strong interaction is potent, but it only acts over a range of about 10 to 15 meters. Among other things, it binds protons and neutrons together within the atomic nucleus. That's all for our video lesson for today. And thank you for watching.
And if you want to learn more about physics and also chemistry, please subscribe to our channel. May the force be with you!